Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video for you from ModelOnes, and they sent me a manicure / nail art kit, and they are offering a $60 discount for my viewers. I will have the code for that running below the screen, but it's https://modelones.com/m/Sharon60. And again, I'll have that running below the screen, and I will also have that in the description box. So this set comes with this beautiful leather bag. According to their page, it is real leather. It is a one pocket bag. It is fully lined, and it has the gold trim and the gold handle, as you can see. And you can use this bag to store your nail art materials, your manicure materials. You can use it as anything that you want, really. You could use it as a makeup bag. You could use it as a shoulder bag to go out in the evening. You know, it's your choice, whatever you would like to use that for. But inside the bag comes lots of goodies for you. So I will start out with, you get 2 files. One is a 180 grit file that you can use to file your nails as well as your toenails. And you also get a buffer file, which is also 180 grit, but it has the padding in between, so it's a much softer file for you to use. Both of them do have the ModelOnes logo on them as well. And you also receive a matte black nail clipper. Nice size. Great for travel size as well. And you also receive cuticle nippers. They come with a safety cap on them, and to open them you just twist, and there you have it. And they have a nice blade on them. I do want to reiterate, as I've said before about cuticle nippers, it's very important that you use them correctly, and if you are not trained to use them to clip cuticles, I highly suggest that you don't. If you do clip incorrectly or clip any live skin, you could really injure yourself or someone else. As an alternative, you could use these to lift any product that's lifting up. If you use them in that case, I would say to keep them then for only using for lifting product. I would not share these between using them for clipping cuticles and then for lifting product. Mostly because you will damage the blade when using it to clip something other than dead skin and cuticle, and you don't want to then go back and use that on your skin and then cause injury to yourself. So just my little blurb in there about cuticle nippers. So just in case anybody's new to doing their nails, you really don't want to practice on yourself. This should be something that you do go to school for if you're going to use it to actually clip skin. So I will move on from that. You also receive a dust brush in this cute little case, which you dial up, and that's for after you buff your nails to apply your gel polish, or even filing your nails. You can remove any dust that's on them. And again, it does have ModelOnes logo on there. Looks like a little lipstick case. Very cute. Very nice black detailing on there. And you receive a cuticle pusher. One end is the standard end for pushing back cuticles, and the other end is the scraper for helping you to scrape off any extra skin from the nail bed. You receive 2 brushes, One is a liner brush for doing nail art. And as you can see, it is a very fine tipped liner brush, great for doing nail art. And I like to keep these covers on my brushes just to protect them. Even though they're in the case, you never know. I just like to keep that on there. And again, this also has their logo on there. And the other brush is a multi-use flathead brush, which, as I said, multi-use because you can use this to apply pot nail gels. You could use it for doing 3D nail art with nail gels, and you can also use it as a cleanup brush along the edges, or you could also use it to apply a thick line in a design if you wanted to do, let's say, half of your nail one color and half in another. This gives you great coverage to do half of a nail. So many uses for this brush. This is definitely a great brush, and as I said, I like to keep the extra covering on there just to protect the brush. So you also get 70 of these removal pads, and this is specifically to remove your gel polish. You want to make sure that you file off your top layer of your gel to break through your top coat, otherwise you will not get that polish off. And those of you who have made that mistake probably know from that. And if you tear it along this line and take it out, you can actually use this to wrap around your nail. So kind of an all-in-one. You don't need to use anything else. Or if you do have foil that you like to use, or the nail caps that you can open and apply onto your nails, you can use that too. But this is great because you get 70 of these, so that's lots of polish that you can change. Excuse my dogs making noise in the background. And if you order using my code by December 31st, you will receive $60 off this kit. The entire kit is originally sold for $149.99. I know that's up there for price, but you are getting very quality materials and a lot of the gel removal, and you are also getting the bag included in that. You will also be getting a free Nano X nail light, which is for curing gel. So if you don't have a gel curing lamp, now is your chance to have one. That will be a free gift to you. And as I said, using my code, you will receive $60 off. So this deal is only going to be until the end of December. So if you like what you see in front of you, I suggest that you order this as soon as possible. This would be a great gift for someone who is just starting out in doing gel polish, someone starting out with nail art, or even your favorite manicurist. I'm sure they would appreciate this as well. And somebody who's in nail school. They will then learn how to properly use cuticle nippers. So I really think that this is a great set, though, in all honesty. Like I said, these brushes are great brushes. I love the thinness of the liner brush, and again, just really great looking materials as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comment section. I will answer any questions that you have as soon as possible, and make sure that you check out the description box. I will have ordering information down there as well. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.